Picture a ship that has been quietly winning over cruisers for years without all the flashy gimmicks of the newer megavessels. The Norwegian Dawn is one of those ships that loyal fans of Norwegian Cruise Line keep coming back to, and for good reason. She offers a more relaxed, intimate feel compared to the floating cities being launched today, and that is exactly her charm. This is a mid-sized ship that gives cruisers room to breathe, a casual freestyle approach to vacationing, and a calendar of itineraries that tend to hit some of the most desirable warm-weather destinations out there. So let's take a closer look at what makes the Norwegian Dawn worth booking and where she might fall a little short of the latest and greatest. When it comes to the staterooms, the Norwegian Dawn offers the full range you would expect from a Norwegian Cruise Line ship. Travelers can pick from inside cabins, ocean view rooms, balcony staterooms, mini suites, and proper suites for those who want a bit more elbow room. There is something here for every budget, which is one of the things that keeps this ship so popular with both solo cruisers and big families. The inside cabins are exactly what you would expect, snug and budget-friendly, perfect for guests who plan to spend most of their time exploring the ship and the ports rather than lounging in the room. The beds are comfortable, storage is reasonable for the size, and the bathrooms are compact but functional. For first-time cruisers or younger travelers watching their wallet, these rooms do the job nicely. Step up to an ocean view cabin and you get that magical morning moment where you open your eyes to a view of the sea. The balcony staterooms take it one step further, offering a private outdoor space where guests can sip their morning coffee while watching the ship glide into a new port. Many regular cruisers swear that once you sail with a balcony, you never want to go back. The suites on Norwegian Dawn are where things get genuinely indulgent. Larger living spaces, premium bedding, upgraded bathrooms, and often access to special perks make them feel like a real luxury experience. For those willing to splurge, the top-tier suites come with butler service and concierge support, turning a regular cruise into something that feels much more upscale. Families are well looked after with connecting rooms and larger cabin configurations that can sleep multiple guests. Accessible staterooms are also part of the lineup, designed to give wheelchair users and guests with limited mobility a comfortable place to stay without compromise. It is the kind of thoughtful planning that makes a real difference for travelers who often get overlooked on older ships. Dining is one of the strongest cards Norwegian Dawn has to play, and it ties directly into the cruise line's famous freestyle dining concept. There are no fixed dining times, no assigned tables, and no formal nights that demand a tuxedo. Guests eat where they want, when they want, and with whomever they want, which is a refreshing change from the rigid traditions of some cruise lines. The main dining rooms offer a rotating menu of multi-course meals, with options ranging from classic comfort dishes to more adventurous plates. The service in these venues tends to be warm and unhurried, and the food, while not gourmet, is consistently good for what is essentially feeding thousands of guests every evening. For something more casual, the buffet handles breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a sprawling spread of international choices. Pizza, pasta, carved meats, salads, fresh fruit, and a parade of desserts keep guests well fed throughout the day. It is the kind of place where you can grab a quick bite in flip-flops without anyone batting an eye. Where Norwegian Dawn really shines is in the specialty dining lineup. There are extra-cost restaurants that focus on steaks, Italian cuisine, Asian fusion, and seafood, giving guests plenty of reasons to step away from the included venues. A great steakhouse experience, a teppanyaki dinner with a chef putting on a show, or a romantic Italian meal can really elevate a cruise night. The bars and lounges scattered around the ship add another layer to the social experience. From classic cocktail lounges with live piano music to more upbeat pub-style spots, there is somewhere for every mood. The Atrium Bar tends to be a popular gathering point in the evenings where guests can enjoy live entertainment and people watching before dinner. Coffee lovers and dessert hunters get their own dedicated spaces too, perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up between activities. The drink packages available on board are worth considering for guests who plan to indulge regularly, since they can take the sting out of a bar tab building up over a week at sea. Overall, the variety of dining and drinking options is one of the Dawn's biggest strengths. Out on the open decks, the Norwegian Dawn keeps things classic and inviting rather than turning the pool area into a theme park. The main pool deck is the heart of daytime activity at sea, where sun loungers stretch out around the water and a steady soundtrack of music sets the holiday tone. It is exactly the kind of laid-back atmosphere most cruisers dream about. The pools are accompanied by whirlpools where guests can soak and chat while watching the ocean roll by. There is something special about lowering yourself into bubbling warm water as the ship cruises through open seas, and the Dawn delivers that experience without fanfare. Towel service, drink service, and easy access to nearby snacks keep the area buzzing throughout the day. For travelers who want a quieter experience, there are areas of the ship designed for more peaceful sunbathing. These adult-friendly retreats tend to be a favorite of couples and solo guests who want to read, nap, or just stare at the horizon without the splash of kids nearby. They are not always heavily promoted, but seasoned cruisers know to seek them out early in the trip. The Dawn does not lean into the trend of giant slides, ropes courses, or splash parks the way newer ships do, and honestly, many guests prefer that. There is a certain peacefulness to a pool deck where the focus is on relaxation rather than constant action. For families with very young kids, dedicated splash and play areas keep the little ones entertained without taking over the whole vessel. When it comes to onboard activities, the Norwegian Dawn keeps her schedule packed without ever feeling overwhelming. The daily program offers a mix of trivia contests, dance classes, art auctions, deck games, and casual competitions that make sea days fly by. There is always something happening, but nothing feels mandatory, which fits the freestyle vibe perfectly. The fitness center is well equipped with cardio machines, weights, and space for stretching, attracting early morning regulars who want to stay on track during vacation. Classes ranging from spinning to core workouts give more structured options for those who like a bit of guidance. For many guests, a workout with ocean views is reason enough to skip a port day at the gym back home. Sports enthusiasts will find courts and outdoor spaces for casual games, plus jogging tracks for those who like to lap the ship while taking in the breeze. It is the kind of setup that does not try to impress with extreme attractions, but instead offers solid, dependable ways to stay active. After a few laps with the wind in your face, you really feel like you are at sea. Entertainment in the evenings is where Norwegian Dawn brings out the big production energy. The main theater hosts professional shows with singers, dancers, comedians, and variety acts that change throughout the week. These performances are included in the cruise fare and tend to be highlights of the trip, especially for guests who enjoy a proper night out without leaving the ship. Beyond the main theater, smaller venues host live music ranging from acoustic guitar sets to lively dance bands. The casino draws a steady crowd of guests trying their luck, while game shows, karaoke, and themed deck parties keep the energy high well into the night. For night owls, the Dawn has more than enough to fill the hours after dinner. Cultural and educational touches sneak into the schedule too, with cooking demonstrations, port talks, and enrichment programs that add a little substance between the parties. They are not the main draw, but they give curious cruisers a reason to learn something new during their week. It is a nice balance between mindless fun and the occasional moment of discovery. The spa on board the Norwegian Dawn is a popular sanctuary for guests looking to unwind in a different way. Treatments cover the usual menu of massages, facials, body wraps, and detox therapies, with skilled therapists who know how to send a guest into a state of total relaxation. Booking early in the cruise often unlocks discounts that make the splurge a bit easier to justify. Thermal areas with saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers provide a place to ease into deep relaxation before or after a treatment. Many regular cruisers buy a pass for the entire week and treat it as their personal retreat between adventures. It is the kind of amenity that really pays off on long sea days when you want to disappear into pure calm. Salon services round out the wellness offerings with options for hair, nails, and grooming that come in handy before a special evening out. There are also tooth whitening and acupuncture-style services that add a more medical spa element for those who want it. The variety is impressive for a mid-sized ship. Fitness fans can join group classes that range from gentle yoga and stretching sessions to more demanding workouts. Doing a sunrise yoga class on a moving ship is one of those quietly magical cruise moments that sticks with guests long after they get home. The instructors are usually friendly and accommodating to all skill levels, which keeps the classes welcoming rather than intimidating. For families bringing kids along, the Norwegian Dawn does a fine job of giving the younger crowd their own space to make friends and burn energy. Dedicated kids clubs split the activities by age group, so the little ones are not mixed in with the older kids and everyone gets programming that suits them. Trained staff lead games, crafts, themed parties, and supervised playtime that lets parents enjoy some adult time without worry. Teens get their own hangout zone designed to feel a bit more grown-up, with video games, music, movies, and social events that help them connect with other kids their age. By the second or third day of the cruise, it is common for teens to vanish into their own little social circle and only show up for meals. That is the sign of a well-run teen program. Family-friendly activities also spill into the public spaces, with poolside games, family movie nights under the stars, and shows that work for all ages. Parents can choose how much they want to do together versus how much they want to send the kids off on their own. It is a flexible setup that suits modern families really well. Where the Norwegian Dawn truly delivers is in the destinations she sails to. Depending on the season, this ship has cruised some of the most popular warm-weather routes, including stops across the Caribbean and Bermuda, along with seasonal sailings to other sought-after regions. Each itinerary is carefully chosen to maximize beach time, cultural exploration, and that magical sense of discovery. Caribbean ports tend to offer the classic mix of white sand beaches, snorkeling adventures, rum tastings, and lively island culture. Guests can pick excursions that range from lazy beach days to more active outings like ziplining through the jungle or sailing on a catamaran. There is truly something for every type of traveler. Bermuda is one of the most popular itineraries Norwegian has long been known for, with its famous pink sand beaches and turquoise water that look almost too perfect to be real. The ship often docks for several days, giving guests time to really explore rather than rushing from port to port. That extended time is a huge plus for cruisers who hate the pack-it-all-in pace of some itineraries. Shore excursions booked through the cruise line cover everything from food tour and historic walks to scuba diving and helicopter rides. Independent travelers can also venture out on their own, taking taxis or local tour to explore at their own pace. Cruisers who do their homework can find amazing experiences in every port, often at very reasonable prices. So how does the Norwegian Dawn stack up overall? She is a ship that does many things very well without trying to be everything to everyone. The dining is varied, the entertainment is solid, the staterooms cover every budget, and the onboard atmosphere is famously relaxed thanks to the freestyle cruising approach. On the downside, she is not the newest ship in the fleet, and guests expecting the latest high-tech bells and whistles may notice that she lacks some of the wow factor features of more recent launches. There are no massive water parks, no racetracks on deck, and no virtual reality arcades. For some guests that will be a deal-breaker, but for many others it is part of the appeal. Reviews from longtime cruisers tend to praise the friendly crew, the comfortable scale of the ship, and the dining variety as standout strengths. Minor complaints often focus on wear and tear in certain public spaces, which is understandable given how many guests have sailed on her over the years. Still, the overall experience tends to leave guests with smiles and plans to book another Norwegian sailing. What really sets the Norwegian Dawn apart is the sense of freedom that comes with sailing her. There are no rigid dress codes, no assigned dining times, and no pressure to follow a strict schedule. Guests get to design their own vacation, which is a refreshing change in a world that often feels overly structured. She also benefits from being just the right size to feel social without ever feeling like a crowded megaship. You can recognize familiar faces by the second day, the crew starts to remember your name, and getting from one end of the ship to the other does not require a hike. That intimacy is something a lot of cruisers desperately miss on the newer giants. Her itineraries also stand out, offering classic sun and sea destinations that have stood the test of time. For many guests, the Dawn is not about the ship being the destination itself, but